In a time long ago, there lived a formidable demon named Durgama, who had managed to obtain the 4 sacred Vedas. With this power, he wreaked havoc on the earth, causing even the gods to tremble in fear in their heavenly abode. As the Vedas vanished, the sacred rites that kept the world in balance fell into disarray. Brahmins and gods alike lost their righteous conduct, the skies withheld their rains, and the lands grew desolate. Seeing the anguish of the gods and the world in peril, they all turned to the compassionate Mother of the universe, Maheshwari, pleading for her help. She wept for 9 days and 9 nights, her tears flowing like rivers, restoring life and vitality to the parched earth. Vegetation, roots, and fruits flourished once more, offering nourishment to all creatures. Knowing that the time had come to confront the wicked Durgama, the goddess prepared for battle. As she did, 10 enchanting forms emerged from her very essence: Kali, Tara, Chinnamasta, Srividya, Bhuvneshwari, Bhairavi, Bagula, Dhumra, Tripursundari, and Matangi. Each of them held powerful weapons, ready to vanquish the demon's vast army. Together, the divine forms launched a fierce attack, decimating Durgama's forces with their combined might. Then, the goddess herself struck Durgama with her razor-sharp trident, toppling him to the ground like a tree uprooted by a mighty storm. With Durgama defeated, the goddess reclaimed the stolen Vedas and returned them to the gods. Overjoyed by her triumph, the gods praised her, saying, "O Universal Mother, in our time of need, you took on a form with countless eyes. The sages shall henceforth sing your praises as Shatakshi. You have nurtured and nourished the world with the bounty of your tears, and thus you shall be called Shakambhari. And for your victory over the demon Durgama, you shall forever be known as Durga." And so, the goddess's victory restored balance to the world, demonstrating the power of compassion and the triumph of good over evil.